Jimmy Donaldson, famously known as MrBeast, has taken the internet by storm with his extravagant stunts and philanthropy. Here are 5 surprising and lesser-known facts about this YouTube sensation. Fact number 1. Did you know MrBeast almost quit YouTube? During his early days, he faced many challenges and doubts, but decided to persevere, a choice that eventually paid off massively. Fact number 2. MrBeast has Crohn's disease. He's been very open about his struggle with this condition, bringing awareness to the chronic illness that affects many. Fact number 3. In high school, MrBeast created a fake YouTube channel to test different video ideas without risking the reputation of his main channel. This experimentation helped him understand what viewers truly enjoy. Fact number 4. MrBeast earned the title of YouTube's biggest philanthropist due to his donations of millions to various causes and individuals, often changing their lives forever. Fact number 5. Despite his massive success, MrBeast still lives in his hometown of Greenville, North Carolina, and remains close to his roots. He often features local businesses and friends in his videos, highlighting the importance of community. Now, if you enjoyed these surprising facts about MrBeast, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into your favorite creators.